Hey guys, we can't wait to show you an amazing Sambal Streets Food Tour we booked through Airbnb. We tasted so many foods at local street stalls with an amazing guide who taught us so much about the whole area. We're bringing you the highlights from this less touristy area of Chow and Kampung Baru. Make sure you watch until the end for our 3 hot nomad tips of the day you don't want to miss.
This food tour, how many places did we go? Like 14?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It got to the point where we were
like 14
not even wanting to eat anymore. We were so full.
Oh my gosh, but it was so much food even though we tried to barely taste from the beginning.
Yep.
But it was fantastic, great experience. Now we know what local food we like, and it was just a great time. So we're gonna show it to you. I even tried durian. So enjoy it, guys, and we will see you tomorrow.
Okay, so how many right now?
Is it allowed to feel? Is it allowed to feel?
Oh yes, absolutely fine. Yes, absolutely fine. Yes.
Here is a professional making Kathy's favorite dish, the Roti Canai. Notice the technique in which he uses his
You
hands.
use your left hand, 4 fingers up, 1 thumb down, and then the other hand, underhand, 4 fingers, and then thumb over tip. So opposite side. Yes. So when you flip, it requires you to flip
The
it
speed at
and
which
then
he's able
rotate
to do it.
That's it. Flip, rotate. So rotate your hands around the Roti Canai right there. Right there.
Yeah, that's not
So
gonna
doing this for
happen.
more than 10 years. So yeah.
I know.
So friends.
I think that takes practice.
Yes. Is this clear? Yeah, it takes practice, friends. So after this, it requires you to fold this into half, fold this into half, and then half and full envelope, friends. That's it right here. All right, next one. Who's gonna try?
Let's look at how a professional would do it once again. Look at the finesse and speed by which he can handle his roti. And now, let's take a look at how non-professionals might do the same thing.
Okay, poking it out, poking it down.
Alright, so you're maintaining the same size, plastic in it. So it's like, it's the same surface again. It's alright, no worries. It's okay, it's alright. No worries.
Uh-oh.
And the right hand's on the
Oh, yeah.
and then you flip it.
But I don't want it to turn over, right?
Yes,
I just
correct.
want it to
Yeah.
go.
Okay, you let me
Okay.
No.
Wait.
You need to do,
I can fold it. I think I can do that.
Thank you.
All right.
And this is what the finished product of a Roti Canai should look like.
Oh, it is. Yeah,
Okay, huh?
well, I mean, I know because it's something that we kind of grew up doing it, but every now and then, you know. Right. So this is basically, friends, village durian, or we call it Kampung durian. Kampung means village. Yeah, Kampung means village. It's also known as the jungle or organic durian. Okay, so this is non-hybrid. This is just pure, basic, original
200
Okay,
hybrids.
so friends, how did we do it, friends? Now, the guys already chopped it, cut here and there already, right? Preparing a space, preparing a crease for me to open up. And how we do it, we'll just slowly, hold on. Wait. chicken. Oh yeah, hopefully it tastes like chicken for you.
I see you do it, babe.
Friends, when you eat durian, friends, try to close your mouth, close your nose, and eat it. Yeah, that will help you. That will help you to acquire. That will help you to acquire the taste. Okay.
Okay, Tim. I want to see you taste it.
Why do I have to taste it?
Don't worry about offending me. Don't worry. It's okay. I'm good.
Oh, I thought it looked fried up there. That's actually
I
fresh.
said it looks like chicken.
Oh, when I saw it up here, I thought that was some kind of fried dish.
Looks like boiled chicken.
Yeah. Oh, it's
okay.
so slimy looking. Okay.
Tinggal satu je lah.
Like an onion.
Yes, that's good, Elena. That's very good. Let's give it a try. If you don't like it, it's okay. As long as you try
What
it.
do you think?
Onion, blue cheese, onion, bit of garlic, a bit on the side. Yes.
Tastes like what?
Right.
It really does
I'm
have a
durian
strong
monster,
onion.
So
Onion
I like
flavor to
durian.
it.
Do you like it or not?
It's okay.
Just like
I don't think it really smells that bad after all I've heard of how bad it smells.
Yes,
It doesn't really smell.
yes, he's loving it. He's loving it.
Cendol.
Palm sugar. Palm sugar, please give it a good stir until you can see that your drink becomes from white to brown. So that's basically it, friends, okay? Do give it a good stir. Cendol. Cendol. C-E-N-D-O-L. Cendol.
Cendol.
You see, Virgin?
Nice.
You see behind the sign there? Up the white color sign that says Cendol, that's right. Yes, Cendol, that's right. Yeah.
Cendol. And there's durian in
Up next, we're having some barbecued mackerel. This is a famous dish here that they serve quite often. This is wonderful chicken and rice with an incredible seasoning, but by this time my stomach was full, my head was spinning, and honestly I don't even remember what the name of it was. I do know though it was delicious.
Local Malaysian street burger, right? Called Ramly Burger. Ramly Burger is the name of the guy who founded Ramly Burger.
I hope you enjoyed the part of the food tour we were able to bring you, and this is where we ended the Petronas Tower. Now, one of the things that people oftentimes ask is how do you actually manage when you don't have everything stocked in your Airbnb kitchen, i.e. measuring cups?
Yeah, this Airbnb kitchen has bare bones, but there's ways you can do it, little hacks. Like we're making oatmeal. I know the ratio I like, might not be what you like, but so basically I just do the ratio in any container. And then, yeah, just cook it the same way. And if you're here for a month, you're gonna get it wrong the first couple days, and you just keep adjusting until you get it perfect.
Or, if you're lazy like me and you can't remember things like that, just go down to the local dollar store and buy a measuring cup. So today is a work day. So Kathy has already been working hard on getting visas.
Yeah, our Vietnam visas came in. You probably saw on day 2 when we were applying for those, and I talked about how to do that a little bit.
Other than a work day, Kathy also has something that she has to do.
Well, it started out as just a work day, and then I got a notification on my phone that my library book is about to expire, and it wouldn't let me renew because too many people are waiting for it. So I checked my Kindle, and I'm only 58% of the way through, and I've been reading it for 3 weeks. It's a really long book, a good one. So I'm gonna read today. So kind of it's a work day, but I'm taking a day off.
So in other words, I'm working.
I can read all day and be happy. So if you are interested in how to manage books on the road, because I'm an avid reader, what I use is an app called Libby, and you hook up your library to it, and then you don't even use your library like website or anything. You look for the books at your library through Libby. You can put them on hold for ebooks, and then when they come in, it tells you, and then you check it out on Libby, and there's a button where you can connect it to your Kindle, and so you do, and yeah, and it's great. I love Libby. Anyways, anything we cover on this channel that you need more in-depth info on, let us know, and maybe we'll devote a whole day to it. And one of the things I just suddenly remembered is that I need to digitize all of our receipts from our medical care at Prince Court, because I'm going to turn this in and use some of our health savings account funds to reimburse us for it. By the way, they have a 10% discount if you use MasterCard, so that's nice. So including in all those receipts, also I got a Hep B booster, so they gave me a little card, so digitize that. I keep in notes, this is just a nomad tip, like in notes in my phone, a bunch of really important documents, and I just keep it in a locked note, but that includes like vaccination cards. I also have a vault in OneDrive where I keep all of this kind of stuff, financial stuff. So anyways, I hope that helps.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our exciting day.
That's a wrap on day 10. Really exciting. Hey, I did finish my book and I returned it to the library online. So that was a huge accomplishment.
Ooh,
Want to know my goal for tomorrow?
What is your goal for tomorrow?
My goal for tomorrow is to wash my hair and prove to you that I do own clothes other than this dress and my pajamas.
You rolled in, smoking out my summer night, got my mind spinning like some Chevy tires. Tiny waist, lips were laced with cherry wine. I bet you're trouble with that flirty little southern smile. Girl, you said you got a Tennessee wild side. Stick of dynamite blowing my